Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I decided to do a fun, like super cool skincare type video. I feel like I haven't done this in quite a while, so I'm pretty excited. And I have two super fun masks right in front of me. So yeah, if you like skincare and just really taking care of your skin and beauty and all that good stuff, sit tight, let's get started. You guys, before we get started, go ahead and join the Kwak fam by clicking that subscribe button down below. And of course, tap on that notification bell. That way you are, number one, notified every time I upload. You won't miss out on any fun videos, which by the way, I do upload at least twice a week, maybe more, you know, little special surprises. And number two, once you click on the bell, you become part of the notification bell members only team, which means whenever there's a giveaway video posted up and you comment and like within the first 24 hours, you are automatically entered into a giveaway. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Go ahead and click that bell and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. You guys, I am super excited for this little skincare video. I have two great skincare in front of me, and they are both by a Korean company. You guys know how much I love Korean skincare. So yeah, here is the mask, and it has a little ampoule on top. It has like a two-step process, so that's kind of fun. All right, so that's our first face mask. And then the second mask is not for your face, but for your lips, you guys. I feel like a lot of us don't really take care of our lips, and your lips, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like dry, crusty lips, especially during the winter, or as a matter of fact, any part of the year. It feels gross, and having like crusty dry lips is not my thing. So here's a great lip mask. All right, this is by the company Sue. It's called the My Collagen Hydro Gel Lip Patch, and basically it's just a lip mask to hydrate your lips and make them look nice and supple. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one I'm going to use is the mask. Look how nice and juicy that mask looks. I love masks that has a lot of juice in them. It feels like you're getting your money's worth. That looks amazing. So there's the mask, and just remember this mask does have some type of like mesh paperish lining. So when you place this on, you first want to peel off one side of that mesh lining. We don't need that part. And then you place this right on your face. And then go ahead and peel off that top mesh lining. Kind of messed it up. That's okay. Just fix it up a little bit. Alright you guys, it's been about 40 minutes. You're supposed to keep this mask on for 40 minutes. So I just kind of took a little break, relaxed, you know, look at some Instagram, stuff like that. And 40 minutes went by pretty quickly. I know it seems like a long time, but sometimes with skincare, you gotta put in a little bit of time and effort. Now, let's talk about the mask. Like I mentioned earlier, it's very juicy and drenched in that nice, you know, nice product, a nice juicy product. So the mask is sandwiched in between two like paper mesh materials. So make sure you take those off before you put it on. The mask itself, it is not paper. It feels like rubber a little bit. Silicone-y type of feeling. This is the mask after it's been used. But I wanted to mention that because I like how it is a more silicone-y type feeling. To be quite honest, I'm not sure what exactly it's made of, but it does feel like that rubbery silicone type feeling. And I like that because it molds nicely onto your face. Wherever you place the mask on, it stays put. For those 40 minutes, it doesn't move, doesn't budge, it doesn't fall off. It molds to your face perfectly and hugs it nice. And so you don't have to worry about like laying your head back so that your mask doesn't fall off. Or, you know, you can just have it on and do your thing, go about, look down, look up. The mask stays put and doesn't move a single bit. Alright, that's one thing I really, really like. Some masks, you put it on and you gotta be like still, like a statue. You know what I mean? And you can't move a muscle. Otherwise, like a little move, a little twitch in your face and that mask is falling off. So not this mask. It's perfect. I do feel like my skin is nice and supple and it feels nice and refreshed. I'm not sure if you guys can tell what it looks like through the camera, but believe me when I say it feels wonderful. And my skin type, if you're not sure about it, it's dry, dehydrated, and this has definitely made my skin feel nice and soft and hydrated. So I'm really loving this mask, and yeah, so here is the first step to our little skincare. Now let's dive into the little second part to this face mask. This is step 2, the little tiny ampule. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And if you look at it, they also give you tons of product in here. And I feel like you don't even have to use this, like all of it right away. So I'm going to go ahead and snap that open. And just put a couple of drops on my hand. And just place that right on my face. Don't forget the neck. And for the rest of it, because I didn't use all of it, I'm just going to set it aside and use it, you know, until it's all gone. So let's put this aside somewhere. So now here is our skin and how it's looking with the little tiny ampule. And if you want to be a little bit extra, you can grab a little mini fan. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Super cute. I'm not sure if they still have it, but you know, you can find a lot of cute fun stuff at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I got this. It's only $1. Super cheap. And I mean, the fan isn't really powerful, but I don't really want a powerful fan blowing into my face anyway. So I'm just going to use this to be a little bit extra and fan myself. If you don't want to use a little fan like this, another item you can use is a regular fan. And I have 2 regular fans right in front of me. So I have this one. This is a fan my friend gave me when I was in college, and I love this. Still have it. And then I have this one, another Dollar Tree item, super cute. All right, look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. This is only $1. Oh, beautiful. And it has a lot of sparkles and glitter. Yeah, anyway, so use any fan you want to fan yourself or just let it air dry. Sit back, relax, let it do its own magic. You don't have to use any fan. Up to you. So, alright, so that is pretty much it for the face mask part. I'm loving it. Can't get enough of it. Looking good. Oh, feels so nice. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the second part to this video, which is the lip mask. You guys know how much I love taking care of my lips. So let's go ahead and open this up. So the directions tell us for this lip mask, you want to keep it on for like 15 minutes. So it's not as long as the face mask, but you know, still 15 minutes is a good amount of time. So now I wanted to share with you guys when is the perfect time or the best time to put on some type of mask for your skin, and that is the AM, the morning when you wake up, because it preps your skin for the day. It makes you feel nice and refreshed and awake. It also preps your skin for your makeup if you're going to put any. So yeah, the morning time is the great best time to put on your mask. Alright, so let's open this up. Look how cute this looks. Look how adorable that is. I love this. Alright, so lips are feeling nice. Alright, so I did have this on for about 15 minutes, like I said on the directions. And so this lip mask, first of all, look how cute and adorable that is. Do you guys see that? It's like a lip. Literally, it's a lip. And you put it on top of your lips. Alright, so it's nice and thick and it feels like a silicone type feeling. Again, I like that material because it feels like it hugs your lips nicely. When I put it on, it stays. Boom. Doesn't move. Alright, obviously you can't talk while this is going on, so it's only for 15 minutes. And even though it is covering your entire mouth, you can still breathe. You're still alive. You're good. You can breathe through your nose, which you should be breathing through your nose anyway. You don't want to be a mouth breather. So yeah, you can put this on and breathe right through your nose. And yeah, so my lip feels nice and they feel good. Honestly, they feel great. I love it. And I love how this feels like it's nice and it feels very luxurious. It's not like paper thin. It feels like it's gonna really help with your lips. So I like that a lot. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, possibly quick, I'm not too sure until I edit the video, but possibly quick video with skincare, mask, and all that stuff. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give it a big thumbs up. That means so much to me. And it lets me know that you guys want to see more videos like this. And of course, comment down below if you enjoy, face mask and taking care of your skin. Are you a skincare, what do you call it? A skincare, I was going to say foodie because I'm hungry. Are you a skincare guru, a skincare, whatever? You love skincare? Comment down below your favorite skincare mask. And what else? I'm not too sure. Alright, I'm just blabbing on and yeah. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.